the Acuter Voyager Mak90 have arrived. And so what we're going to do in this video is we shall do an unboxing, go through everything that you get inside the box and how to put it together. And then maybe in a later video we shall go into more a detailed look at the specification and my advice for getting the best out of it. So inside the box we find the carry case, and everything that you need is inside here. Comes with a little grab handle there and also a shoulder strap, and when you pick it up it is noticeably slightly heavier than the Acuter Voyager Mak80. And so let's have a look what you get inside. This is the first time opening it, by the way. So we have a little 6x20 finder scope, a 90-degree diagonal, and a smartphone adapter. You know my feelings about these. I would much rather than maybe put something like a moon sky glow filter in rather than a smartphone adapter, because they can give a bit of false hope, but that's just my opinion. And so just lifting that back up again, we shall undo the main case. And what do we have in here? A little constructions booklet, one eyepiece, a 20mm, and this is a 70-degree wide angle one, and this will be the same one that you get with the Acuter Voyager Mak80, and these are amazing eyepieces. When I get everything unwrapped I'll show you in more detail. And so yeah, these give a delightful wide field of view, and with this scope this will give you 58.5 magnification, which is a good starter and sensible magnification. So I'll just put all this away and we shall take the OTA out the case. So that's cleared everything out the way, and so we shall take the OTA out. And for those who don't know, OTA, optical tube assembly. So we have some little foam supports here at either side. Remove them. Then we shall carefully remove the OTA. And there we have it. And something you'll notice with this is it has a side mounting dovetail bar, because most of the Acuter compatible mounts now come with a side mounted dovetail connection, but you can use it like that if you want. Basically just turn the star diagonal around, you know, to adjust whatever angle you need. And there you are. Here you are. You can have a look at it before me. If I can take this off. Secure fit. And that is the mirror and lens assembly. And so yeah, it is actually quite a long focal length, this OTA. Basically the light comes down, hits the mirror at the back, then back down here, hits that secondary mirror that you can see there, and then back down to the eyepiece. And so you get a telescope in effect 3 times as long as this, all folded up. And so next we shall put it all together. So before we put it all together, I'll just show you the focuser, and the 2 wheels, one on either side, and that is basically how you adjust your focus. You'll see a little scale indicator on that side showing 8, 16 meters and infinity. It's not exact, but it just gives you an idea, and so you are close to, and you'll have to just do some minor adjustments when you look through the eyepiece. And so to put it all together, just these 3 parts for now. I'll not show you the camera adapter, because basically I'll say this, give it the same advice to everybody. Enjoy the view through the eyepiece first, worry about taking photographs later down the line. And so I've already, these little grip screws, I've slackened them off to make it go in fairly easy. And so I mentioned before, you see you can adjust the angle to, you know, however you are. Maybe if you sat down like this or stood up, you know, you can adjust the angle to suit. And so screw it into place. And then we take whichever eyepiece you're using, screw that into place, and that's it. How easy was that? And then finally, the little finder scope, I think I referred to it as a 6x20, it's a 6x21. And this really does have nice clear optics. I'm very impressed with it. It doesn't come with a dovetail mount, and so see a little screw hole there and the screw here. It's basically all you do. I'll just have to put my hands in the way, sorry, 1 second. There we go. And again, just like the diagonal, you can adjust it to wherever you want it. You can just hear that? Little clicks there, little increments. And that is it. That is basically, other than mounting it on the mount, whichever one you've got, you're ready to go and start enjoying the night sky. And just to make sure, yes, it does come with a standard tripod thread. So if you do have a very sturdy camera tripod, it will be ideal for this. And I think this is what, 2.5 kilograms. I'll correct myself in the description if I'm wrong with that, or just around about 2 kilograms. And so yeah, I hope this helps. A quick unboxing showing you everything you get with the Acuter Voyager Mak90 and how to assemble it. Link to purchase in the description. Obviously you are supporting our channel, and yeah, as usual, just mentioning, reply to the order confirmation email that you've watched this channel, and I'll find a little extra something to put in a box. So thanks again, and I'll see you next time.